A chain stitch. Crochet a row of single crochet stitches. The stitch insertion points here can be more flexible. Mark at the first stitch. As long as you are inserting the hook into stitches along the outermost row, it is acceptable. Attempt to locate and insert into the outermost stitch. There's no limit to the number of stitches here. Just crochet across the entire row. You'll notice that the following row appears much neater. A chain stitch. Crochet another row of single crochet stitches. Mark at the last stitch in this row. For beginners, remember to place markers on the first and last stitches. A chain stitch. Reverse. Crochet another row of single crochet stitches. Insert in marking position. Here's the first stitch. Mark the first stitch. Marking the last stitch. Five chain stitch. Reverse. Slip at the mark position. You can take the mark down now. Continue to make 3 slip stitches. Three chain stitches. It's still in the same stitch, a slip. 3 slip stitches, 3 chain stitches, 5 slip stitches, 3 chain stitches, 3 chain stitches, 3 chain stitches, a slip stitches, the main part of the umbrella is crocheted. Extend yarn, break the yarn. 先不缝合，等下一起长线缝合。Next, crochet the tip of the umbrella. Find the middle position. Be flexible with it. Leave a length of yarn for seaming. About 2 fingers long. For chain stitches. Start crocheting from the second to last stitch. 3 single crochet stitches. A slip stitch. Slip stitch into the next stitch. Break the yarn. Hook the yarn to the back. Wait to weave in the ends. Insert the hook randomly into a stitch at the center position. Crochet 18 chain stitches. Eighteen chain stitches have been crocheted. Crochet 2 single crochet stitches in the second to last stitch. Then combine the next 3 single crochet stitches into one stitch. Finished combining 3 single crochet stitches into 1 stitch. Crochet single crochet stitches in all remaining stitches. Crochet a slip stitch in the next stitch. Cut the yarn and sew closed. Finish the umbrella. Next, weave in all the loose ends. Assemble the parts. First, let's get out our hot melts. Melt it with a lighter. Glue on the back of the eyes. Align. Stick to the cat's face. Now let's assemble the little fish part. To be able to make the eyes stronger. Expose fish eyes to a little bit of hot melt adhesive. Children should be guided by an adult. Find the right place. Okay. A small fish would be nice. We'll now cut out the raised part on the back side. You can use bigger scissors. If you have a glue gun, using a glue gun is better. You can also use thread to sew on your cat's arm. The position of the umbrella and the fish can be switched at any time. It doesn't matter. Find the right place. It's about here. Then find the right spot on the back. Apply the hot melt adhesive. Okay, a cat coaster is ready. You can also use thread to sew it together. On the back we can draw a circle first. You don't need to draw the circle too standard in this step. It doesn't matter, we can trim it later. Take out the scissors. Cut out a circle. This circle is what we'll use to attach to the back of the cat coasters. able to give it a stronger shape. Flatter if a little too big. You can try to trim it to shape. Here I am cutting this circle a little bit bigger. So let's try to trim it down. Okay. On the edge of it. Get out our hot melts. Aim at the cat's back. For a flatter cat. You can also put it under your mattress for a night. Okay, a cat coaster is crocheted.